In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add custom colors to your Notion workspace. We'll walk you through a straightforward process that enhances your workspace with vibrant, personalized color schemes, making your Notion pages not only more functional, but also visually appealing. This walkthrough is perfect if you're looking to bring a dash of creativity into your digital organization. So, let's dive right in. First, to get started, you need to navigate to your connected workspace for Wiki, Docs, and projects in Notion. Open your browser and type in the Notion URL, or simply click on the Notion app if you have it installed on your device. Once you're there, make sure you've connected to the correct workspace. This is where you'll be making all the magic happen. So choose the one you use most often, or where you feel a splash of color would be most appreciated. Next, you'll want to log in. If you haven't already logged into your account, head over to the login page and enter your credentials. You might already be logged in if you've used Notion recently. But if you aren't, just a quick login will get you right into your workspace. Logging in ensures that all the changes you make will be saved and can be accessed whenever you need. Once you're in, you'll go to your Notion home. This is your central hub, the launching pad for all your Notion activities. It's here where you'll access your pages, databases, and all other kinds of information that you've stored. Familiarizing yourself with this space can help you efficiently manage multiple tasks and projects later. Now, you're ready to click on a page you'd like to style with custom colors. You probably have a specific page in mind that would benefit from some color adjustments, whether it's a workspace you access daily or a new project you've just started. Opening that page will allow us to directly add our custom color touches. Moving on, it's time to get creative. In any open page within Notion, type the Alt key followed by Color. This command is one of the many shortcuts Notion offers to streamline your workspace customization. By typing our color, you'll see a pop-up menu showcasing a variety of color options. These options allow you to highlight text or background in several hues, giving each section of your workspace its unique style and feel. And that's it. With these few steps, you've successfully added custom colors to your Notion workspace. This personalized touch not only makes your workspace visually more appealing, but it can also help you categorize and prioritize content based on color, adding an additional layer of organization. Enjoy your newly customized Notion pages and let your creativity shine in every corner of your workspace.